up here at the Rush County Fair. Ah, yeah! We're rolling coal. Chris Gainer, Al Cook, Todd Anderson, Bob Campbell, and Zach Hart. That'll be all for Heath. These guys pulled last night over Greenville, Cottersville, Indiana. First time in years he missed his own bull at Cottersville on Saturday before Father's Day. He wasn't fired up to come and had no oil pressure. Did tearing something up, he left the set. Chris Gainer and right down there at that 300-foot mark, the Afterburner, Chris Gettinger. A fireman betrayed in Connersville. Our local Sempico dealer, Gary R. The Entertainer. And lost all them little boosties in there. Al Cook and the Entertainer. Scott Anderson out of Arcana, Ohio. Color me gone, International. Oh, God, over on the other side did a little bit of the dirt dance out there. Todd Anderson. He is also for the high. You see him really in the light post off class. Had a little tractor trying to get him fixed. Trouble with his tractor. Been having trouble with it. He didn't know, but looks like he went and got it fixed. Build a boost and the Heart's Desire getting all in turbos are spinning in there. That'll be all for Zach Hart. Crop Production Service, Heavy Post Off are next.